what's up? Welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Claire. If this is your first time here, I go to Auburn University where I am a senior, and I have all types of beauty, lifestyle, college-y vlogs, tutorials, reviews, hauls, and all those kind of fun things on my channel. Very well rounded. So make sure to subscribe now that you are here, because I do all kinds of fun things here and I want you to be a part of my little YouTube fam. So anywho, today's video I'm super excited because we have, I think it's my third or fourth. I think it's my third. No, it's my fourth. I have to double check. Splendies Panty unboxing haul / review. I'm super excited. So I got home from class. I do want to apologize. That is why I look super gross and rough right now. I have on like no makeup. So yeah, this is what you get. This is me. I went and checked my mail when I got home from class. It's like 5 o'clock on a Monday, and I saw this little package, and I did open it, but then I didn't all the way open it. So I didn't unwrap any of the wrapping paper where the panties are actually in, because I wanted this to be like a genuine like review, like unboxing, like, because before this I've been peeking in the boxes because I get really excited. Me and Splendies and I have been kind of like partnering for multiple videos over the past couple of months, because I just thought it was such a cute and cool idea. So what Splendies is, it's an underwear / panty, whatever word you prefer, subscription service. And so each month they will send you 3 pair of panties to your doorstep for $14 a month. And you can get $4 off your very first month with the code Splendies. So basically you can get, for your first month, you can get 3 pair of panties for like $3.33 a piece. So you might as well do this. It's super good quality underwear. You can choose it to be random, or you can choose what type of panties you like. I don't know, do I want to say panties or underwear? I don't know what's more professional. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm just going to be opening this little bag from Splendies, and I'm really excited to do so, and giving you my thoughts and just showing you guys what they sent. So every month it comes in this super cute packaging, and it's just like nicely wrapped, but then, oh, accidentally opened the back. So sorry. So, I promise I did not peek inside. I did accidentally just tear a hole in the bag. But each month it comes in this super nice little, well, it's different every month, kind of wrapping paper with a little sticker. So you feel super fancy when it gets to your doorstep. You feel like you got a little like actual present. Okay, so I'm just going to go in a random order. They do say to size up in the panties. So I'm normally a medium, so I sized up to a large. Normally, actually, I feel like most of the panties that I've seen from them, I could probably wear a medium. So the very first pair, my favorite color, they are a hot pink, like lacy but cottony cheekster. So these are super cute. They have little bows on them with little purple details. So they're pink and purple, super fun, super stretchy, and well covered. So yeah, these are just a fun time, and I really enjoy these because, again, pink is my favorite color, and these seem like they're very cute, but also very, very comfy. So for the second pair of panties, these, y'all know, y'all heard me talk about this particular style of panties. Is probably one of my favorite, just because it's like the most universal, and I'm more of a what kind of panties are going to fit under my leggings and dresses type of girl, rather than like the design and print. So that's what gets me really excited. But I do love the design and the print on these. So these are like the no-show type of material, so it's very thin but also very supportive and very full coverage, and they're kind of like a silky feeling, but they're the type that kind of just like don't show when you wear them, so you could easily wear these under dresses. That's probably what I would do, honestly, with these. And so yeah, they're super cute, and also I would probably sleep in these because they feel super soft and comfortable. And this last pair I think is my favorite pair, because they are black, and they are kind of like a meshy, oh, I didn't see the back, the meshy detail. So the back has kind of like a little ruffle in the middle, and then like a little loop-de-loop with a little bow, very cute. And then in the front there's also a little black bow. So they're black and nude, and it's also kind of like a, I don't know, it's not really a mesh material, it's kind of like a silky, satiny material. So these are like the kind that you forget that you're literally wearing underwear when you're wearing them, because they're so comfortable. So I really am a huge fan. And they all say, I think they're from like actual different brands through Splendies. So this one says Honeydew on it, and this one says Love Libby on it, and then this one says Honeydew. So this must be a brand. So yeah, and then Splendies must just like distribute through them. So yeah, these are super cute pair of panties. I'm super excited, and I'm so happy that I get to partner with Splendies once again for a video. So honestly, y'all, I will link all their information down below like I typically do. It's super easy to sign up. You just tell them like what size, what design you like, unless you want it to be like a surprise each month, which I feel like that's kind of fun because you never know what you're gonna get. And so yeah, I think it's just a super cute and cool idea to have underwear sent to your doorstep. Like, that's pretty cool. So yeah, if you made it this far in the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and make sure to leave me a comment letting me know what you thought of this video, what you think of the Splendies, and if you will be joining. I would love to know. And yeah, this is like a sponsored video in a way, but I don't get money out of this. I just genuinely think that it's a really good idea, and it's really cute, and I mean, who doesn't want to get panties sent to your door every month? I mean, that's really cool. So yeah, I would love to see you back here, so make sure to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye. Have a great day wherever you are. Mwah. Sorry, that was super awkward. Bye.